Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting or showing on your Lenovo laptop. Now the first thing I want you to do is make sure you're not actually in flight mode. So here you can see this icon. What I want you to do is just go ahead and right click on it, click on Open Network and Sharing Settings, okay? And then here you can click on flight mode and make sure this one is actually toggled off. And now you should see this icon, right? It says not connected. Now, what you could do is you could troubleshoot it, and that usually fixes the issues, okay, for you. Or if that did not fix the issue, right, click here on Network and Sharing Center. So we'll just let the troubleshooter go on. We'll click on Change Adapter Settings here, and then make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled. Sometimes it disables itself after updates and things like that. Just right click on it, click on Enable, and it should actually show up right here as connected. Once this is done being enabled, there you go, it has been enabled. Now it just says not connected. Then you can just come here and connect to your Wi-Fi. So you can see the troubleshooter is also running, which would be the third method for you to do. And from here, you can just go ahead and choose your respective Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, it's automatically connecting for us. And there you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.